The goal of Shinola is really to bring manufacturing back to the States, starting with watches. We have a watchmaking facility right here in Detroit.
Shinola was a shoe polish brand that was established in 1907. Through World War I, World War II, it was regulation issued for all GIs.
And people know this name, and it's a symbol of great product manufacturing in the US, so we bought the name.
Now we manufacture watches, bikes, leather goods, and paper. Shinola stands for quality and this attention to detail. Most watches are handmade. The movement that has about 46 parts in it, it's about the size of 2 quarters, that has to be assembled by hand.
And eventually our goal is to make 500,000 watches a year, so we're really looking at handmade quality watches at scale.
So to bring scale manufacturing watches to America, how do you do that? Do that competitively and at a price point that will actually fit this market? So Windows 8 allowed us to do that.
We're in 3 different offices, and we need to understand what the product is doing at all levels of production.
We have to react quickly because we depend on manufacturers and vendors, suppliers from all over the world. Windows 8 and its mobility helped a lot with getting access to the information we need instantly. For example, sometimes we get products that might have some defects, and we can take pictures with the device, add some comments right onto the picture, edit it and send it immediately. Before, it would take half an hour instead of just the 5 minutes that it takes now.
Through tablets and phones, we can be anywhere in the world and still have the same level of communication that we would have in a store in one place.
In the beginning, there were a lot of contractors coming and going all the time. It was a nightmare to keep track of all the key cards. So I was very happy to have the tablet with me so I could connect directly to the terminal server to just grant access to a new person, and I didn't have to run back to my desk, which would have taken another 5 minutes back and forth. And every minute counts in this business.
Driving productivity, reducing costs, or driving sales. Those are really the 3 levers for small businesses. When we looked at Windows 8, we solved all 3.
If we can be successful at making watches here, then cottage industries will grow up around us right here in Detroit.
Our goal is to increase production tenfold in the next 5 years. Adopting Windows 8 as our main platform will definitely help us achieve that.